Enjoying something simple and delicious that you can prepare in your own kitchen would be ideal. Well, here at the Sci Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with chocolate chip muffins. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. And now the wet ingredients. Time to build the muffins. Set your timer for 35 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Historians trace early muffin-like breads back to medieval Europe, where small cakes were cooked on griddles, an ancestor to the English muffin. English muffins likely originated in England and can be traced as far back as the 10th century. American muffins like blueberry, bran, and chocolate chip were created in North America during the 19th century. Today, muffins are a breakfast staple. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these muffins are the ultimate chocolate indulgence. These homemade chocolate muffins are soft, fluffy, and loaded with chocolate chips in every bite. The sour cream ensures a very moist muffin. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, these chocolate muffins are the perfect breakfast, dessert, or sweet snack. Whether you're making these muffins for family, friends, or a meal prep, this recipe guarantees perfect muffins every single time. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is something sweet and delicious. Stay with us, watch the next videos.